Chicago Northwestern 400 train with Pullman bi-level passenger cars 6-unit train set by Kato. This is the N-scale set and comes with a bi-folding storage case and sleeve for easy storage. Here is the sleeve along with the bi-folding storage case with all instructions included. All of my locomotives are Kato except for a couple from another manufacturer. I have had great luck running Kato on my layouts, and when it comes to N-scale I prefer Kato. I just received this train set and decided to do an open box to show how this performs. The locomotive in EMD E8A. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.